What is up, you guys?
Hey guys, what's up?
Tassel.
Excuse my steering wheel. It's literally right in the way. But I look like a hot mess today. I'm actually at school right now. I'm getting ready to go back in. I was on lunch. But I figured I would do kind of like a day in my life / weekend vlog. So it is currently Saturday and it is 1:45. I've been at school all day. Nothing too crazy. I've had one client. I'm supposed to have 2 more haircuts today and I get to leave at 7. So I'm counting down until 7 o'clock. But I figured I would just show you guys kind of what goes on. I'm not allowed to film in class, but at school, I'm not even really supposed to be on my phone. So that's why I didn't really think I was going to do much of an actual like vlog, but so that's why I figured I would just kind of throw 2 different things together and make a whole. This is a lunchbox I use. It's a Vera Bradley one, and it's like a huge one that fits all of my crap in. This is my bag that I take everywhere. I literally, okay, let me give you this information. I got this bag. It is a Guess bag from, I believe, TJ Maxx for like literally $50. And it's a Guess bag, and it's absolutely beautiful. But
so I have to walk in the back door with these dogs again. It's probably super windy. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I will.
so I clocked back in. I was 2 minutes late, but well. I'm gonna go pee real quick. Look, I have a client at 2 o'clock and it is 1:50. So if they're not already out there, they are probably getting close, unless they cancel on me. I have had 2 cancellations today, but I'm not complaining because I am pregnant and tired. Oh, let's do a bump update. So I have like a flowy shirt dress thing on today, so you can't really tell, but I'm 25 weeks tomorrow, which is actually crazy. Okay, let me hurry up and pee. Okay, so I'm gonna go out there and check my books just to make sure everything or nothing changed. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little tour. This is our dispense area, all of our colors and stuff. This is where we weigh our colors and measure them out. And over here is the books. This is mine right here. You see my name. So, yes, I have a haircut at 2. Then I have brow wax. So, let's go. That's Erica, and that's Micah. You guys are in the vlog. I'm doing... No. So you gotta be in the vlog. Yeah. Hey, Abby. Doesn't she look like... What's the lady's name that I said you look like?
Rebel Wilson.
Yeah, that's literally who Abby reminds me of.
That's the nicest thing. That and like, you sing like a book.
Okay, bye, Abby. Bye, Erica. Bye, Micah. Look at Kim over there. She stay working. So I literally finished my client like 10 minutes ago. It was a simple cut, just a trim and a style. Now I'm back in the bathroom because I have to go pee again. Pregnant life. And I have another person that's supposed to be here at 3:30 and it's 3:23. So we will see if they show up like they're supposed to. Oh, hold on. That sun is behind me. I am going on break roll, so I'm going to pick me and another girl's Starbucks order up. I'm out of breath. Okay, so I don't know how good it's gonna stay up, but we just gonna go with it anyways. Let's turn on some music. I literally look like a small potato. So I ordered online at Starbucks. So I'm going to pick it up down the street right now.
How can I help you today?
Hey, I had placed an order online. Can I pick it up through the window?
Sure.
Okay, I'll drive around.
Thank you. Got a couple straws for you. Put that in on the order.
I ordered a grande toasted white mocha frap with almond milk. This is literally the best thing I could have possibly ever splurged on today. I'm back at school. The sun is literally actually in my face right now. So I'm gonna run inside. I'm gonna just be chilling for the rest of the day. So I don't know if I will vlog like until I leave, because nothing exciting ever happens. But if something does happen, y'all know I'm gonna be getting it up on video. My friend Alex doing my hair. Okay. Well, good morning, guys. It is the next morning. It's Sunday morning. And it is currently like 10:15 and I'm just now getting up, but hey, oh well, because I got to sleep in. I was up kind of late last night. I was at sets until probably about 11:30. I don't know, but yeah, so I'm about to get up. I'm going to make a new recipe, and I'm gonna try to make some healthy pancakes. I'll bring you guys along with me, but let's go. Okay, let's give this pancake a try. It better be good.
Can we start up? Like, this is great. This is why I need to cook more.
What is up? So I just finished eating breakfast. Excuse my hair. It's like just raggedy. So my plan was to get up this morning and go to the gym before everything, but I woke up so hungry that I had to eat. Like, now that I'm pregnant, like when I'm hungry, I gotta eat then. Like, I'm not gonna wait an hour and a half and go work out. Like, no, I will throw up, I will pass out, it will not be good. So I had to fix me some breakfast. By the way, that pancake was actually delicious. I will list the ingredients down below. The only thing I was missing was the banana. The ingredients asked for like a squashed banana, and we didn't have a banana, so I used the brown sugar instead, because like the banana was just supposed to add the sweet. But since I ate, I don't think I can go to the gym right now because I think I'll throw up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my room, doing some clothes, doing all my stuff that I needed to do, and so yeah, enjoy this clip of me cleaning. Let's go. Hey Google, play Suicidal by YMW Melly. Okay, very quickly, an outfit of the day. This is what I'm gonna wear to work out later. So this shirt is just a maternity workout shirt thing that I got from Amazon for $12. Look at little bump growing today. Yes, I'm 25 weeks today, so that's super exciting. And these are the seamless leggings from Gymshark. These are the only ones that can go over my stomach, and it gives me a super big camel toe, so just ignore that. That's why I have to wear this shirt, because it's longer and it covers it up, and I look like I actually have no butt because my stomach is outgrowing my butt. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing these Adidas ones. So yeah. So I did fairly quickly do a low makeup look today, so I didn't look dead since I was doing some vlogging and I'm gonna go uptown. But I will list my makeup products below. Also, I have a super exciting package coming in tomorrow, so I will vlog that and post it at another day. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna go eat lunch with my family and then probably go to Seth's and hang out for a little. See you guys. Peace. Bye. Hey guys, so I am currently walking with Ray. I figured it's like a beautiful day outside. The temperature is great. It's nice and cool. We have this little park that you're able to walk around. And it's like a little public trail thing. People bring their dogs out here and walk and stuff. It's normally been so hot that I've not wanted to, but like it's nice and cool. So we're out here walking. Got baby bump. Some people's fishing. So yeah. Hi. Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Okay, bye. See you. Okay, so I'm a bad person and didn't go to the gym today. And that is why I'm going to continue to look like a potato. But it's for a good cause. I ate and I got just too full again for supper. So I decided to come to Walmart. I'm going to pick up some stuff so I can go home and meal prep. That way it's not too late. Because if I would have went to the gym, then I wouldn't have came and got this food. And then I wouldn't be meal prepping. And then I wouldn't be eating healthy. So we're at Wally World. We're going to go in. Hopefully we won't get stole by nobody. Because my Walmart, there's like nothing but crackheads. So yeah. I just finished making my food for this week. I didn't film any of it because if you guys want to see a video on how I meal prep for the week, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And if we can get the likes and subscribes up there, then maybe I will film a whole video on how I do it. I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to get a shower and I'm going to get in bed. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.